Hello everyone, my name is Manushree. I'm studying 9th class in Mathman High School, Vijayawada. Today, this today I'm here to tell today's Hindu editorial analysis on 16 June of 2021. The two topics that were given in our today's editorial page are the invisible tax and bracing for a treat. Today, we'll discuss the first topic, which is the invisible tax. Okay, so the second topic that was given for us is whole about the coronavirus, where, okay, come let's see a small bit of that. India must be alive to the dangers of emerging variants of the coronavirus. Means India has many dangers of different variants of this coronavirus which affects us. We have to face many problems due to these, and we have many threats, right? Some are dying, some are suffering, so many threats like this. Okay, so fine, let's get into our today's topic, the invisible tax. Emergent action is needed to rein in inflation as people face income losses, medical costs. Okay, see here the word rein. It means limitation or restriction or command. Okay, limitation, restriction or command means the emergent actions are needed to be restricted due to this inflation of the people where their income losses and these medical costs means where there's a huge loss. The pandemic's second wave may have subsided, but hopes of a smooth rebound in the economy in tandem with easing restrictions remain muddled, with the inflation numbers for May compounding the problem. Okay, see here, emergent means raising, developing or budding. Okay, so raising or developing or like budding means which grows more and increases. Okay, and rebound. So here rebound means to recover or bounce back. Okay, so finally here we have three words, right? So the third one is muddled. Confuse, mix up or disarrange. Confuse, mix up or disarrange. Okay, fine. See, they are saying that the pandemic second wave. So now we are facing the second wave of the pandemic, right? So in this second wave pandemic, we have many hopes of this recovery chances in our economy, and the restrictions that were not now, like which get back. Okay, and the inflation numbers for this May, for the May month, and we are facing the problems. The soaring pace of rising prices, both retail and wholesale, in a month that saw widespread lockdown like restrictions have come as a negative surprise. Okay, see, soaring means here rise up, fly or ascend. Okay, means in the rise of the coronavirus cases. Okay, so rising in those. So the rising of the corona cases, not only those, and there's a lot of rising in the prices in the retail work, wholesale markets, and there was a various widespread of this lockdown restrictions which has made a negative surprise for everyone. So this coronavirus we haven't expected before. So inflation based on the wholesale price index is revoked to have hit a 25-year record of nearly 13, while the retail, see, reckoned, it means to gauze, calculate, compute or judge. Calculate, compute or judge. Reckon means. While runaway fuel prices that include high excise duties and taxes were a key factor in driving up both the inflation indices, they were not the only ones at work. Okay, means the running of the fuel prices means nowadays every price has grown up. Let's take an example. Before, if 1 liter of petrol may cost 2000, now it's cost more. Okay, so in this case the prices of the fuel, not only fuel, excise duties, taxes, everything, every key factor has increased from their work. Retail inflation inferred has hit a six-month high of 5% from barely 2% in April, with pulses and eggs as well as edible oils leading the surge. Okay, so it also hit the food with a six months, which is higher for 5%, and which bears 2% from in the April month. And also this includes the pulses, eggs and also edible oils which we use. So these all taxes and prices, everything has raised up. Fuel and light inflation hit 11.6%, the highest in over 9 years, and no respite is in sight on this front as pump prices for petrol raised past rupees 100 a liter in even more parts of the country this month. Okay, see here, the word respite means rest, break or interval. Rest, break or interval. And pace means the speed, rate or velocity. Or we also can say walk or march. Okay, march, not the month. It's not a month. Okay, what we do, march parades like that. Okay, so going in a fluent way. Okay, so here the fuel and the light inflation also hit up to 11.6% rates, and the highest is in the over from 9 months, where there is no rest or retrying in their prices, and the petrol raised from 100 liters for now. In also this was happening in more parts of the country. In this month, diesel has also crossed the century mark in Rajasthan's Sri Ganganagar, where freight costs add up on top of state and central taxes. Even if one were to discount food and fuel prices, core inflation has crossed the 6% mark for the first time in 31 months, and it is estimated at 6.6%. Okay, see, not only petrol or not only fuel, even diesel cost has crossed the century mark, means more than hundreds. And in Rajasthan, in a special place, Sri Ganganagar. Okay, and this also costs add up to the state and also add to the central taxes. Even there is one word, the discount for and for the fuel prices, that the inflation has crossed the 6% for the first time in the 31 months, and also it is estimated at 6.6%. Okay, reacting to the April retail inflation print of 4.3% after averaging a steep 6.2% through 2022-21, the RBI governor had remarked earlier this month that it brought some relief and elbow room for sticking with growth supportive policy. If anything, May's inflation prints leave no such room for maneuver, though the bank's monetary policy committee may not switch away from its dovish policy. No further easing of interest rates can be expected at these price levels. Okay, so see here, elbow row. It means something which we need freedom. Okay, freedom or space. Okay, we can say scope. Freedom, space or scope. Elbow room means. And maneuver means navigate, skillful or movement or the action. Dovish, it means Pacific, not Pacific, it's just for Pacific, peaceful or pacifist. Okay. We also can say elbow room, that freedom or liberty. Okay. The other simple meaning. Most economists expect the inflation to remain higher than average of 5.1%, which is estimated by the central bank in this year. And the government also wants the RBI bank to accommodate the approach of the growth, and it must take some actions according to the rising of prices, including the cuts in fuel taxes. And the RBI governor also has to be advocated since February. Okay, see, persist here, it means like routine or continue. Okay, routine or continue. So far it has only obfuscated, means unclear or complicated. The issue with arguments ranging from the states should cut taxes first to let's bring petroleum products under GST. No welfare schemes can offspring the proportionately adverse impact on the poor. Okay, so this is our today's topic on editorial page. Thank you.